Overview Cloud Google Cloud Platform. Characteristics: Cloud Service Model, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Cloud Deployment Model, Public, Private, Hybrid. Google Cloud Platform. Organization, folders, project, resources, billing. Virtual machines. Compute engine, types options, VOM instance lifecycle common operations. Images, snapshots. Disk types, local SD, persistent, virtual networks. Virtual private cloud, VP, type subnet. IP addresses, public-private. Routes, EaseRoute table, firewalls. Network topology option. Cloud IAM, I'm basic. Authentication, authorization, FA. Resource hierarchy. Cloud, I'm best practices. Data storage services. Google Cloud Storage overview of structure. Storage classes, versioning lifecycle policy. Cloud Data Store. Cloud Bigtable, NoSQL Big Data Service. Cloud Transfer Service, App Engine, Functions, Cloud Run. App Engine, Serverless Web App. Cloud Functions, Events Triggers. Google Cloud Pub. Resource Management. Cloud Resource Manager Overview. Resource Monitoring. Logging, error reporting, tracing, debugging. Capacity planning and cost optimization. Monitoring and alerting. Interconnecting network. Virtual private network, VPON. Cloud DMs, Cloud Interconnect Cloud Routers. Load balancing, auto scaling. Load balancing types: internal, external, global, regional. HUTs, network SLS step load balancers. Google Cloud Armor. Infrastructure automation, APIS Deployment Manager. Infrastructure automation using APIS. Deployment Manager overview and configuration. Cloud Launcher. Google Kubernetes Engine. Microservices, containers, Docker, Kubernetes. Deploy and manage workloads on GKE. Design EC process, defining the service. Design class, measurement. Design for security. Google Cloud Platform Security. Network access control and firewalls. Data encryption and key management. Identity access and auditing.